The Symptom Checker is a feature which allows you to check your symptoms by answering a set of clinically reviewed questions. From these questions, you will then be directed towards the appropriate care service. This includes booking appointments, which can all be done without leaving the AskFirst app. Before starting the Symptom Checker, you will first be asked a number of COVID-19 questions in line with NHS guidelines. Once you have completed the COVID-19 checks, you'll start by typing your main symptom. Once you confirm your concern, your virtual health assistant will then ask a series of questions. Each question in the sequence is generated from your previous answer, meaning you will not repeat yourself or be asked any unnecessary questions. Giving only relevant answers allows for an efficient experience, and you will then be directed towards an appropriate care outcome. There are multiple outcomes which may or may not require action from you. Other outcomes of the Symptom Checker include A&E, self-care, an appointment with a clinician, or a text reply signposting you to another appropriate service. Should your healthcare assistant advise an appointment, they will then contact your GP practice on your behalf. Click I understand, confirm you are in the UK, and should your practice have a video appointment available, you'll be presented with a list of available video appointments. If there are no video appointments available, you'll be offered a telephone appointment. In this video, we'll book a video appointment as an example. Simply select your desired time and date from the list and confirm. You will be asked to provide a contact number so the clinician can contact you for any reason. For example, should you not join the video call on time, or if there are any changes to your appointment. Please note the video appointments take place via the AskFirst app. There is more information on this in our booking video appointment tutorial. Once you have confirmed your contact number, you'll then be notified that your appointment is now booked and reminded to log into the AskFirst app 10 minutes before your scheduled time. For the purposes of this video, let's go back through the process as if we do not want a video appointment or if the proposed times are not suitable. If for any reason these video appointment slots are not suitable, select None of these work for me at the bottom of the list and search more options. When you select None of these work for me, you may then be offered appointments available at the Extended Hours Hub. It is worth noting these are remote appointments with an on-call doctor and not necessarily with a doctor from your practice. If there are appointments available at the Extended Hours Hub, simply select from the drop-down list and book the appointment. Let's assume there are no video or telephone appointments available in the practice or at the Extended Hours Hub, so we have been offered a callback by a staff member from the practice. A staff member from the practice will call you within 3 hours. Leave your contact number by typing it into the field below. A staff member from your practice will call you to schedule an appointment at a more convenient time. All video appointments and consultations will take place via the AskFirst app, so be sure to open the app 10 minutes before the appointment is scheduled. There is more information on this in our video appointment demo.